Ano ba ang example ng income-producing asset? Number one is what we call bonds. Ikaw ang nagpautang sa isang korporasyon or government institution. In exchange, yung pera na nilabas mo, which is what we call principal, will be given back to you 100%. At the same time, meron kang ma-earn na interest. Pangalawang income-producing asset is digital savings account. Example, interest ng CIMB is 2.60% per annum. For Uno naman, yung interest nito is 4.25% per annum. Ang kagandahan ng Uno Bank is that binibigay nila every single day ang interest earned mo. Meron din tayong ibang options tulad ng Maya. Maya, yung base rate nila is 3.5% per annum. Pero meron kang mga activities na pwede mong gawin in order for you to increase it up to 15% per annum. GoTime naman, ang binibigay nila is 4%. C-Bank, recently bumaba sila from 4.50% ngayon 4.25% na lang, but it's still relatively good. And so far, ang pinakamalaking interest na nagbibigay ngayon is ang Own Bank. 6%. Next question ng mga tao, Sir, ito ba ay tax-free? Lahat po ito ay may 20% na withholding tax. Let's say 6% ang binibigay ng Own Bank, you get 20% of that, that's 1.2%. 6% minus 1.2%, yung net na makukuha mo is only 4.8%. But still, mas maganda pa rin ito compared to traditional banks. 0.125% per annum doon. Another advantage about digital savings account is that you can literally withdraw the money anytime. So kung kailangan mo ng pera tulad ng emergency fund mo, pwede mo ilagay dito habang wala pang emergencies na nangyayari. At least tumutubo yung pera natin. Kung meron namang emergencies, then you can just withdraw the money para magamit mo doon sa emergencies mo. You can also treat this as an investment also. Pangatlo is time deposit. Nakahold yung pera mo for a certain period of time. You can also go to these digital banks. Tulad ng Maya, nagbibigay sila ng 5.75% per annum sa 6 months lang na holding period. Sa Uno Bank naman, meron silang 6% na interest, and meron din tayo dito sa Own Bank 7.50% per annum, pero naka-hold yung pera mo ng 360 days or 1 year. I-lock in mo lang yung pera mo dyan. After 1 year, ay maibabalik sa iyo yung principal plus the interest. Pang-apat, Pag-ibig MP2. Ang nag-o-offer nito is ang Pag-ibig agency mismo. Paano ba mag-invest sa Pag-ibig MP2? May dalawang option tayo. First is you can literally go to their office. Pangalawang option is you can go to online, particularly pagibigfund.gov.ph. Pang-lima is cooperatives. Yung mindset ng mga tao pagdating sa cooperatives is automatic. I will join a cooperative para pwede akong umutang. Well, that is one reason to join a cooperative, but another reason is you can also maximize it through investments. Meron kasi mga cooperatives ang bibigay sa mga 10% na dividend yield, and most of the time, yung negosyo rin kasi ng cooperative ay lending.